From Ypsilanti, Michigan to London, England to Cardiff, Wales, students will spend until May 5th gathering information from historic places to produce a 30-minute true crime podcast episode. Instructor Saidif Ali, professor of electronic media and film studies, and Shanna Gilkinson, assistant professor in the Communications, Media, and Theater Arts program, will also attend. Students will be able to perform audio interviews and learn techniques like episode organization, structure, scripting, mixing, scoring, and other production expectations. All of this will be done based on the sites and places students will see and research. This workshop will result in a 25 to 30-minute comprehensive podcast about a real crime that happened in London, England. I'm Julez Deshetler, reporting for eWeekly. I'm Julez Deshetler, here reporting at EMU's Recreational Intramural Center, otherwise known as the Rec IM. If interested in becoming a member of one of the sport teams, contact Brett Carlisle for more questions about registration or becoming an official. If you want to become a part of campus life, join an intramural sports team here at the Rec at EMU. Reporting for eWeekly, I'm Julez Deshetler. Here's another message from the Potato Board. Don't we Americans love food? Fast food, slow food, all kinds. But above all, don't we love that good food? The potato. And our friends at the Potato Board remind us that Americans crave potatoes in any and every form, for every meal. Why? Americans love potatoes as appetizers, and soups, and salads, as entrees and side dishes, and yes, even as desserts. The Potato Board says any way you serve the all-American potato, you'll be getting an economical vegetable that has lots of nutrition, but not, I repeat, not lots of calories. So whether you serve potatoes scalloped, hashed, mashed, sliced, or diced, French fried, boiled, or baked, in all their delicious versatility, the Potato Board says potatoes are America's favorite vegetable. Well, aren't they in your house? Hi everyone. Welcome to Eagle Eats, the student-run TV show all about food. I'm Julez.
And I'm Amaya.
Finding room in our budgets to make sure we're eating good foods can sometimes be a bit difficult, especially during the fast-paced life of a college student. Welcome to the True Taste segment, where we do weird food challenges and truly test our taste buds.
Yeah, I think I know what this one is.
Okay.
Do you know? Okay.
I'm going to guess.
Okay, let's do 1, 2, 3.
On the count of three?
Yeah,
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Pepsi. I think it's Pepsi.
I'm just trying to show the camera
Yeah.
here. It has, it's very hot.
Be
it
careful.
Has a very, guys, it's way too hot.
Yeah.
It has a very spongy texture. Let's go in here. I'm kind of nervous.
There you go.
Here we go. Oh,
Is
it's
it
hot.
good? I was gonna say, is it hot? It's good. It's
Mm.
good. Yeah.
It's
I
very
mean,
chocolatey.
that was pretty simple.
Let's start off with the breakfast sandwich, and the ingredients today we'll be using are a bagel. We have, on this plate, we have some cheese. We also have ham and an egg, and we're going to put that all together with some cream cheese and some salt and pepper. You might want to let it cool. We're gonna just dig right in, but
Oh, it is really hot.
here we go.
Okay.
Let's take a little bite.
It's actually good.
It's cheesy. Amaya and I get 2 jelly beans that are the same color. One is a tasty flavor and one is disgusting. But we don't know which one it is until we eat them, so it should be fun. Let's get started then. Do you want to say the first question?
Yeah,
or will
I'll go first.
Okay.
Are you ready?
I'm nervous. Here we go.
Okay, Julez. My first question is, when was the pop-up toaster invented?
1905.
Julez, you were close.
What was
but
it?
you did not get it right. It was 1919.
Okay.
You
I
were
wasn't
close.
too
You
far
were
off. I
close.
was
You were
incorrect,
close.
Sadly. All right, let's spin this. This one's going to be a good spin, guys. Somewhat.
That was better than mine.
Peach or barf?
Oh no! Did you get barf?
I got
Oh
barf.
my goodness.
Pardon me.
We're just gonna let Julez spit that out because who wants to eat a barf flavored
Let's
jelly
get some
bean?
water in here.
Yeah, you
Cleanse
need
my
to.
palate.
Yeah, you need to refresh it. You gotta refresh it.
And today on the menu we have lemonade in our cups.
Yes.
And then we have some flavored syrups to give it that sweet taste. We have a blue raspberry and strawberry.
Yep.
And then we have strawberry bubbles and kiwi.
Yeah.
Yep. Shake it up. All right, here we go. Ready?
Yes.
That's good. It's sour. So just so you guys know, we do have sauces like relish, honey, hot sauce, strawberry jam, mustard, mayo, you name it. So this should be interesting.
Yeah. No, it was supposed to be a pie. But I didn't know how to draw it, so I don't know.
It makes it so much funnier that we're
Yeah,
really
we're
bad
not
artists.
really good at this at all.
Let's see what I get. What does it say?
What does it say, Jules?
Soy sauce.
Oh, no.
This seems scary. Sorry for the mess. Here we go.
Are you okay?
Ugh.
Okay, you're okay.
I need my
Yeah,
boba.
drink your boba. Fold mine up.
From here, I have the bananas on my tortilla, and I'm gonna fold the sides in like this. So it's kind of like a mini sandwich. And then you'll just flip that over into the toaster. Mine's kind of bad.
I was gonna say, are they gonna fit?
Mine's really thick. Oh, yours is really thick.
Yikes.
And I'm Jules, and it was really fun enjoying these popular foods. And thanks for watching. It's always a great idea to try something new. Hopefully these quick and easy recipes help you mix things up if you're feeling stuck eating the same foods all the time.
Yes.
Everyone's morning go-to is Starbucks, so why not get a reusable cup? They can hold up beverages that are hot or cold for up to 10 hours straight. In fact, not only would you be giving them a reusable cup, but you're giving them 10% off. So what you do is you just go straight into Starbucks, give them your reusable cup, and they'll make your drink right in there, and you'll get 10% off every purchase. Not only are they great for the money saving, but you save the environment as well. You're saving them from plastic and paper waste, manufacturing chemicals, and you're saving a lot of aquatic life animals. Like, save the turtles, for example.
Yep.
Sarai, which one's your favorite?
This one's, the gift one is my favorite. I know I keep going back to that one, but that truly is my favorite.
My favorite one is this one here. It's textured and it's really good colors. It's also really easy to carry. It's more convenient. Whereas this one here, it's a little bigger, so it could last all day long. I'm Julez Deshetler.
And I'm Sarai. Make sure you go purchase a Starbucks cup.
As you guys know, the Student Center is a great hub for getting students together, and today we are here recording the EagleCon, which we have different communities and different groups here. I'm Julez Deshetler, and let's get the scoop on what's going on. What is the name of your club?
I'm the esports director, actually, at Eastern, so I don't even have a club. We're just a program that's kind of like a competitive team. So.
Okay. And what exactly do you guys do?
My scholarship players, they play against MAC schools on a weekly basis. So we have Valorant, Rocket League, League of Legends, Call of Duty, all kinds of games that you can get a scholarship to play Eastern.
And if someone is interested in joining, how can they join?
Come to our website, EMU Esports, and hang out with us. Yeah, we're on our Discord.
What are you looking forward to most tonight?
I just really love seeing all the students have fun and get dressed up. I really love the cosplay outfits, and then I also love feeling old and not knowing what any of them are. Or when they're like, look at this vintage thing, and I'm like, that's my childhood. So that kind of stuff, yeah.
What's your favorite fandom?
Probably Marvel, as I am Loki.
And what is your favorite part about, or what do you most enjoy about cosplaying?
It's just fun being creative and like making the costumes and connecting with other people who also like being creative in that way.
Can you tell me your name and then what is your research topic today?
My name is Elise Oyster. My research topic was a correlation between alcohol use, depression, and social roles in young adults.
Okay, interesting. So since alcohol is a very popular, normalized thing in our society, what have you found?
I actually, unfortunately, did not find a significant correlation between alcohol use and social roles or depression in this study.
Interesting. How long have you been working on this specific research?
So this actually started, the lab that I'm in here is the EEG lab, the brain lab at EMU, and before they got their current project up and running, they did a pilot study, which is where I got this data. So this has been going on for quite a while now.
So, you know, you did all the research for a long amount of time, put your effort into it, and now it's symposium day. So what do you want to come out of this? What's your expectation for furthering your research?
I'm just really excited that I actually have the chance to present this and present something that I've been working on, and I hope that this will allow me to make further connections with people.
Hi Frankie, how are you today?
Good, how are you?
I'm good. So can you tell us a little bit about your design expo today?
Yeah, so I did a design for A Wrinkle in Time, which went up in December at EMU Theater.
What has been the craziest kind of, I guess, invention or combination of things that you've used for sound?
This has always been my favorite. I use stuff like steel pan drums, harmonicas to make certain sounds, but shoe is definitely my favorite because when I pull this out, everyone's like, what is that? So, yeah.
Is there any way we can hear what it would sound like, kind of? Wow, that is really cool. So what's your aim, like your expectation that you want the audience to take away from hearing your different sounds and showing them how you kind of do the process?
I want them to notice because a big thing with sound in theater is that you don't notice it unless it's bad.
Can you tell me your name and your research topic?
So my name is Carla Sunbaum, and I studied and looked at inhibitory control and sleep in preschool children.
And what did you find, like your results?
So I didn't find any significant results, but my hypothesis is that that's because of a limited sample size.
So what do you kind of want to come out of this research? Is it grad school? Is it continuing research? What is it kind of what you're looking for?
Yeah, so I am actually going to grad school. I'm going into a PhD program in neuroscience at the University of Tennessee this fall. So, but mainly what I also want to get out of this research is just I want to illuminate inhibitory control more. I think that it's such an important aspect of development, especially in children and looking at children going into school.
Hi, we are with Sarah today. Sarah, can you tell us a little bit about your project?
Yeah, so I'm actually the assistant projection designer for an upcoming show called Cyrano de Bergerac.
In your opinion, why would you say that undergrad research is important? Why is it so valuable?
I think it's important because it gets us out of the classroom and it gets us thinking in our own head about certain topics, and I think it just broadens us as students to get out of and try new things mainly and just see what we like almost.
Why do you think, because some would argue that a lot of universities focus on graduate symposiums, why do you think it's important that EMU focused on undergraduate research?
I just think it gives us more inspiration for furthering our career. I mean, our educational journey. It just influences all of that. I think if you spark that now in our educational journey, we're probably going to hold on to that and just want to think outside that box. Like I said earlier, it just plants those roots.
That's about all the time we have today. I hope everyone had a blast at EagleCon. I'm your host, Julez Deshetler, and that was your daily dose of campus life.